So for question 11, we've got this book club, and we've got some people that read some ghost stories. We've got some people that read some mysteries. And we've got some people that read some epic fiction. Now, the epic fiction never read the ghost stories, so I've not put a crossover on those at all. We are told that mystery and ghost is 0.3, so I'll put the 0.3 there. And of course, the ghosts was 0.4 altogether, so I've got 0.1 left. Notice that we've already used up 0.4 of the probability, and this circle here for the epic fiction needs 0.6 in total. But notice the murder mysteries still need another 0.2. So I'm going to put a 0.2 in here, and the rest of it, the 0.4 in there. So actually there's nobody reading just the murder mysteries on their own. The question then says, find the union of the murder mysteries and the ghost stories. So that's all of these three here, which is 0.6. And the next one, there's loads of that. So I've got murder intersection ghosts, that's the 0.3, unioned with murder intersection epics, that's the 0.2. So that one there's a 0.5 in total. And similar as last time, we need to think about, are these things independent? Are G dashed, so what's not in G, and the murders independent? So we had that one earlier. Probability of murder mysteries was 0.5. The probability of not being in G is 0.6. And let's look for the intersection of those. So intersection not in, so they're in murder, but they're not in G. They're in murder, but they're not in there. So that's the 0.2. And let's see. If we multiply these two things together, we get 0.6 times 0.5, which is 0.3. They're not the same, and so I'd write some sentence here that they are not independent.